Let's talk brakes. You press the pedal, the car slows down. Simple, right? For over a century, brakes have used friction. Pads squeeze a disc, turning motion into heat. It works, but all that heat is wasted energy, lost every time you stop. Not exactly efficient, right? But what if slowing down could actually give you something back? Enter regenerative braking. Instead of wasting energy, it captures it. The system turns your car's motion into electricity, storing it for later. It's like recycling your momentum every time you slow down. Instead of just burning off energy, you put it back into the system. Regenerative braking works with your regular brakes, giving you both stopping power and energy savings. It's a smart, efficient upgrade and a real game changer. Regenerative braking lets your electric car recharge as you slow down. When you lift off the accelerator, the wheels turn the motor in reverse, turning it into a generator. This sends electricity back to the battery, giving you extra range. For sudden stops, traditional brakes kick in. It's smart, efficient, and perfect for city driving. Let's put traditional brakes and regenerative brakes side by side. Your classic friction brakes are pure mechanics. When you push the brake pedal, hydraulic fluid pushes a piston, which clamps brake pads onto a spinning disc connected to your wheel. The friction created between the pads and the disc is immense, and it converts the kinetic energy, the energy of motion, into thermal energy, which is just a fancy way of saying heat. You can feel this heat coming off the wheels after some hard braking. It's a simple, reliable system, but it's wasteful by design. All that energy is lost forever. Regenerative braking, on the other hand, is all about energy conversion and conservation. It uses the electric motor to do the opposite of what it normally does. Instead of using electricity to create motion, it uses motion to create electricity. This process inherently slows the car down, so you get the braking effect you want, but with a huge bonus. Instead of generating useless heat, you're generating valuable electricity that goes right back into your battery. It's an elegant solution that turns a necessary action, slowing down, into a productive one. It's like getting a little refund on the energy you just spent to get up to speed. The experience of using them feels a little different too. With traditional brakes, you feel a direct physical connection to the slowing of the car. The harder you press, the harder it stops. With regenerative braking, especially in an electric car, you often experience what's called one-pedal driving. Just by lifting your foot off the accelerator, the car begins to slow down quite noticeably as the regenerative system kicks in. It takes a little getting used to, but once you do, you find yourself using the actual brake pedal a lot less in normal traffic. Of course, one system doesn't completely replace the other. They work together as a team. Regenerative braking is fantastic for gradual slowing and stop-and-go city driving, where it can recover a significant amount of energy. However, it doesn't have the raw, immediate stopping power for an emergency. That's why every car with regenerative braking also has a full set of traditional friction brakes. The car's computer brain blends the two systems seamlessly, using regeneration when it can and calling on the friction brakes when it must. It's the perfect partnership of old-school reliability and new-school efficiency. Regenerative braking means real savings for you and the planet. In hybrids and EVs, it boosts efficiency, saves fuel, and extends your range. That's more money in your pocket and fewer emissions in the air. So next time you see a hybrid or EV slow down, remember, it's recharging, not just stopping. And that's just plain cool.